All right, so here we have Emely and Roland Crawford, and they're both husband and wife, guys.
Yes, we are.
So I was just told by a little birdie that you're gonna be doing a grudge match together.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
How do you feel about that one?
I feel good. I think I can beat her.
2 hours later.
876 Streets is powered by
Hi, Emely. So today we're at the Drag Rival Caribbean Championship here at Burnhamsfield. How was your experience racing just now?
It was excited, not nervous. Actually was enjoying myself. It's something that I cannot explain as a female, feeling of horsepower on the car, and you have to literally control the car with you. It's something different.
What was one of your inspiration which led you to start drag racing?
Well, that would be my husband, Damage, Puffy, Lance. Lance was one of them who actually was like, you know, you can do this, this is yours, this is not Roland's, you can put on it, you know? And between them, and of course my husband and the team, actually we said, it's your time, it's your year.
And trust me, you look really impressive going down the quarter mile just now. I'm over the moon for you right now. Hi, husband.
Hi, how you doing? Let me come around, huh? You met the wife, right?
Yes, I met the wife. All right, so here we have Emely and Roland Crawford, and they're both husband and wife, guys.
Yes, we are.
So I was just told by a little birdie that you're gonna be doing a grudge match together.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
How do you feel about that one?
I feel good. I think I can beat her.
I'm gonna let him beat you.
No! I make sure I try my best not let him, I'm gonna do that like the sun, I'm gonna knock you down, okay?
No
Okay,
problem.
right. She's gonna knock you down. All right, so my bet is on the wife here, you know, repping for the females on these 876 streets
Yes,
today.
yes.
All right. But how has drag racing been for you over the years? I know you've been racing for years now.
Yes, it's been good. You saw that we're coming from 16 and now we're in 8s. And it's the same thing. In fact, Emely started much faster than where I am. I remember she's starting at 11. I'm starting at 16.
So you just come beating just like
Yes. And I think right now the time for our fastest female at that time was Rhonda, that ran 12.4, 12.8.
awesome.
And now Emely is what, 11.0? 11.0. So can you believe? It's interesting that we have on our first go, she's now at the fastest time.
And that's very impressive, I must
Of course.
say.
And we're gonna
Very
see more women
impressive.
coming into the sport.
Trust me, you'll see me on the drag strip, don't worry.
We'll see you too, right?
Yes. But
So it's good that we can show that it's not a gender dominant sport. It's gender dominant, yes, by males, but at the end of the day, everybody can come. It's a family event, and that's what I'm promoting here right now. The fact that it's family that we're using to build this.
and we all can enjoy the sport.
Yes, you can, and you can relate to it.
Yes.
You can relate. Women can relate to seeing another female at the track and say, yes, I can do it. Because she was going out there and a lot of persons was like, I'm here to see Emely. I'm here to see this person who is running the time. So that is what makes a
And
difference.
she looks really good. You guys keep it up. Y'all are both impressive, and I must say I'm proud of you guys.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you. All right.
Keep it up.
Thank you so much. Looking
for
forward to the next event. 876, Kedron. Thank you.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.